She's scrolling through the static of the night, predicting shadows in the neon light. The deadest strings like rivers through her mind, while all the world is scrolling deaf and blind. She sees a crash before the numbers fall, the hidden glitch within the firewall. But her screen is dimmed, her signal's alone. She's the only one who really knows. Oh, and Cassandra, in your digital cell, with a truth that no one wants to tell. They call it a glitch, they call it a lie, while the clouds are gathering in the sky. A sovereign soul in a world of the thing. She's hearing the bells that the sirens ring. She speaks the fire, she speaks the rain, but the unseen status is her only pain. A Trojan horse is an email in a tray, 1,000 likes to lead the soul astray. She marks the spam, but it's already in. The silent war is ready to begin. The notifications are a hollow sound, while the walls of focus are crumbling down. She doesn't post, she doesn't plead. She has the truth that they will never read. It's the synchronicity saturation, the overload of a tired nation. She holds the wisdom of the final reel, but no one cares how the prophets feel in her black trench coat. She watches the screen, the most important truth that's never been seen. Oh, Cassandra, in your digital cell, with a truth that no one wants to tell. They call it a glitch, they call it a lie, all the clouds are gathering in the sky. A sovereign soul in a world of the king. She's hearing the bells that the sirens ring. She speaks the fire, she speaks the rain, but the unseen status is her only thing. The box is open, the feed is fast, the future is haunted by the digital past. She's stuck alone in her velvet light, the